This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
HP Kit is an effective treatment for Helicobacter pylori infections. It combines 3 powerful medications to combat bacterial growth and alleviate gastric symptoms. Indications and uses. This combination therapy is specifically indicated for the management of infections resulting from Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that can lead to gastritis and ulcers in the stomach, contributing to various gastric discomforts. It aids in eradicating the bacteria while providing symptom relief. How it works. The kit works by reducing the amount of Helicobacter pylori in the stomach, alleviating gastric symptoms through a synergistic effect of Amoxicillin, Omeprazole, and Tinidazole. Directions for use. Take the medication as prescribed by your physician. Swallow the tablets or capsules whole with a full glass of water. Do not crush or chew the medicine. The appropriate dosage and duration will be determined by your doctor based on individual factors such as age, body weight, and health condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects can include decreased appetite, nausea, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. It is essential to report any worsening symptoms or severe reactions to your healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Before starting treatment, inform your doctor about any existing health conditions, especially blood diseases, liver or kidney issues, or allergies. Use caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and consult your healthcare provider for advice regarding use in such situations. FAQs. 1. What is the use of HP Kit? It is used to manage Helicobacter pylori infections in the stomach. 2. What are the side effects? Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. 3. Can it be used on infants? No, it is not recommended for children under 1 year. 4. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember unless it's almost time for the next dose. 5. Can I stop taking it on my own? No, continue until your doctor advises otherwise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback.